Hello. What's up, guys?
What's up? What's going on? What's this? What's that? What's going
Guess
on?
what? Guess how old you are tomorrow, baby?
How old are you? Huh?
Does Daddy know?
You're gonna be 7 weeks.
Yeah. Oh my God, you look so cute.
Hey, cutie.
Let's zoom
Say
in.
hi.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Right here.
How you doing?
Hi.
You like mommy? You like seeing mommy?
You like having your back rubbed?
You like the little baby massage? Here.
Nice.
Oh, you got so much tension here.
So much stress.
And no tension in your neck at all.
She's got such a stressful life. So much grunting.
Yes. It's a lot of effort for all those grunts. Hey, baby.
Aww.
Say hi to
You're a
mommy.
happy baby, aren't
Say
you?
hi to mommy.
Hi. What did you say?
He said, "Give me chocolate, mommy."